with a fringe border of equal width on each side. Write a polynomial that represents the perimeter of the blanket, including the fringe. So then you have a blanket drawn, and it says that without the fringe, so if this is your fringe, without the fringe, it is 72 inches by 48. And then it tells you that the fringe, or this part, is X, and this part is also X, right? The fringe? Yep. Okay. So you had to write the perimeter. What does perimeter mean? You add all the sides. The outside edges. So if this right here is X, what is this over here? X. Okay. This would also be X, and this would also be X. And then if this is X, that means this is also X. This is also X, and this is also X.
I thought it included the corners. I forgot to include the corners. Yeah, same. I didn't include.
Well, we need the corners. Yes, we need the corners. Okay, so that means that this entire side length with the fringe would be what?
X squared.
I have X plus X. So when you're adding, it would be
X squared.
no. X plus X gives me 2X. And then plus what else?
2X.
No.
Plus 72.
Plus 72, because that's the actual blanket part.
Good job.
So then this side length is what?
2X plus 48.
Because I have an X here and an X here, so that would be 2X plus 48 of the blanket. Okay? So what is this side length?
2x plus 48.
2X plus
42. 72.
72, because it's the same as the top one. And then this one would be what?
Oh, I did 2x.
2x
I did
plus
so
48.
wrong.
2X plus 48. Therefore, when I add up all the sides, how many X's do you have?
8X.
8X plus, what do you get when you add up the numbers?
120.
No.
240.
240.
No.
So that is A, that is the perimeter. B, you are to find the area. How do you find the area of a rectangle? Multiply what?
The length.
Length times width. What is the length of the blanket?
2x plus 42. 72.
2X plus 72. Dalton, what is the width?
The width is 2X plus 48.
2X plus 48. So if I'm multiplying, what do I do with these?
Times them.
Distribute, right?
Yeah.
So 2X times 2X would be
4X to the second power.
2X times 48 would be
2 the 96X.
96X.
Wow.
72 times X?
It would be 144X.
I'm stacking my like terms. Plus 72 times 48.
72. I was doing the
You have a calculator, don't you?
2,456. Got it.
4.
3. It's 4.
43.
It's
3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh,
Can't imagine why I would struggle to understand. Okay, so 3, 4, 5, 6. Or 3,456, right? Okay. So now when I add my like terms, I get
8x squared.
4X squared.
Did you say, what did you say?
8x. Oh, wait, no, it's not.
4x squared
Plus 240X. Plus 3,456.
Okay, so that is going to be my answer to B, because that is the area. Then C says, find the perimeter and area of the blanket, including the fringe, with the width of the fringe is 4. So what does that mean?
X is now 4.
X equals 4. So how many answers, first of all, do I need for this?
2.
2, because I have to find the
Area. And the
perimeter
perimeter.
and area.
16 times 4.
So I go back to A, and I take 8 times 4 and then add 24 to get a perimeter of
35.
Well, no, 32 would be the.
56? 56, and I think it's inches or whatever it is. Okay? And then I would replace here, I have to replace all the x's with 4, so I would take 4 times 4 squared plus 240 times 4, and then add 3,456.
So it's 64. Wait, Miss Boston, isn't 24 supposed to be 240?
Yes.
Yeah, I was on A, so I was very confused.
Oh, it's supposed to be 240. Okay, sorry. So then, what's 32 plus 240?
250. No, 272. I knew that.
So this should be 272 inches.
On you.
There we go. Sorry. Okay, so what do you get for the bottom answer?
It's 24.
Why don't you write it down so do it in your head?
Well, I think 256.
Well, do it now because there's exactly a question like this on your quiz today.
Quiz day.
You didn't know.
256 plus
Don't worry, I already found out
CX
plus
400. Oh, my. No, just take the X out.
Brock, do you have an answer?
What?
Do you think we're just waiting around here? Do you have an answer?
Yeah.
Just take out the X.
So then why don't you fix it? I gave you the answer. My goodness. I'm not going to take a quiz for you guys.
Yeah, we do.
I have an answer. 160.
What do you have, Dylan?
I don't know if I
That's how
got
I
it
usually
right,
have to
but
yell
it's-
it, truly.
I got 4,672.
She wasn't. She didn't have broke.
Oh, wait, I have an idea as well. What about 4,480?
That sounds better.
Yeah.
I got that as well.
How? Because, see,
4 squared, 16 times 4
I did that wrong.
plus 240 times 4 plus.
I did much more for you.
Yeah, 4,672. I just did.
It should be 4,480.
I didn't know we had to simplify the parentheses part, so I just used the
4,480.
Get it right.
Guys, did you know that I'm a